Have you ever wondered who follows you on YouTube, but you don't have a computer handy? Today, I'm going to show you how, with just a few clicks, you can see your list of subscribers directly from your phone. No complications, no extra apps, just your phone and YouTube. Let's get started. First, open your App Store or Google Play Store and check if you have the latest version of the YouTube app. If you don't have it, you'll see an update button. Tap on it and wait a few moments while the app updates. Once the app is updated, you'll see an open button. Tap on it and it will take you directly to YouTube. Once you're in YouTube, the next step is to tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then, right at the top of the screen, below your channel name, you'll see the option View Channel. Tap on it, and that will take you to your profile. With the new YouTube update, you'll see the See Your Subscribers button. Tap on this option, and it will take you to a page where you can see a list of people who have subscribed to your channel. However, it's important to note that only users who have set their subscriptions to public will appear here. If someone has hidden their subscriptions, their name won't show up on your list, even if they are following you. So don't worry if you see fewer subscribers than your total count. YouTube only shows those who have made their subscriptions public. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, leave a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video.